Good day, students. Today we are going to see the notes about how to prepare a revaluation account. First, I am giving an intro about the revaluation account. As it is given in, we have already studied about revaluation account in the partnership. When any new partner enter into the firm, or if they retire or any death of any partner, at the time they have to restructure the balance sheet. For the purpose, they revalue their assets and liabilities, under which you already learned what are all the items you will have under evaluation. In the adjustments, they will give you certain assets and liabilities whichever are revalued. Some item that may be a profit item, some item that may be a loss item. Profit item means if any asset value increases, then it is a profit, or if any liability value decreases, that is also a profit. For example, land and building in the balance sheet, if it is 10,000 and in the adjustment it is given 15,000, means in adjustment value it is increased, then it is a profit item. Then loss. Just a reverse of the previous step. If the asset value decreases, then it is a loss, or else if the liability value increases, that is also a loss. So after finding whether the item is profit or loss, that you have to pass entry for each item and you have to post it in the revaluation account. In case of posting in the revaluation account, you have to enter the loss items in the debit side to asset to liabilities. That is, if any loss item in the asset, that to be debited, or if there is any loss item in liability, that also should be debited, for which the journal entry is revaluation account debtor to asset account. I already told you, when we prepare any ledger, from that you can easily post the entry. Simple. You have to take the heading as the first step and the item as a second step. So in that case, your revaluation will be the first one and the asset or liability will come in the credit side. So for loss item, your entry will be revaluation account debtor to asset account, or revaluation account debtor to liabilities account. Then for the items in the credit side, or else the profit item. If you get profit under your revaluation, that may be posted to the credit side of the revaluation account. So by asset or by liability, whichever item you are getting, for which the journal entry is asset account debtor to revaluation account, liability account debtor to revaluation account. Okay. Next, you have to prepare a ledger. I already told you the loss item that will come in the debit side, the profit item that will come in the credit side. And after preparing ledger, you may get balancing figure either in the debit side or in the credit side. If you get a balance in the debit side, then it is a profit on revaluation. If you get a balance in the credit side, then it is a loss on revaluation. Then for the balance, you have to prepare a entry. If you get balance in the debit side, it is a profit. If you get balance in the credit side, it is a loss. If suppose it is a profit, then the entry will be revaluation account debtor to capital account. Suppose if you get a loss, then the entry will be capital account debtor to revaluation.